3, 2, 1, Little Monkey Learning! Hi kids! Thanks for joining our troop of smart little monkeys who love learning new things. Let's see what we're going to learn about today.
Today on Little Monkey Learning, we are going to learn how to sound and spell Peppa's friend names. Friend number 1, Danny Dog. Friend number 2, Emily Elf. Friend number 3, Pedro Pony. Friend number 4, Peppa Pig. Friend number 5, Rebecca Rabbit. Friend number 6, Suzy Sheep. Friend number 7, Zoe Zebra. Now let's begin. Danny Dog. Emily Elephant. Pedro Pony. We also have another P sound. Peppa Pig. Rebecca Rabbit. Suzy Sheep. Zoe Zebra. Friend number 1. Danny Dog. Let's do it again. Danny Dog. This is how you spell Danny Dog. D-A-N-N-Y D-O-G. Danny Dog. Let's do it again. D-A-N-N-Y. Danny Dog. Yay! Bye-bye, Danny Dog. Emily Elephant. Emily Elephant. Emily Elephant. Emily Elephant. This is how we spell Emily Elephant's name. E-M-I-L-E-Y-E-P-H-A-N-T. Let's do it again. E-M-I-L-Y-E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Bye, Emily Elephant. Uh-oh. Pedro Pony. Pedro Pony. Pedro Pony. This is how we spell Pedro Pony's name. P-E-D-O-O-P-O-N-Y. Let's do it again. P-E-D-P-E-D-O-O-P-O-N-Y. Let's do it one more time. P-E-D-O-O-P-O-N-Y. Pedro Pony, yay! Aye, Pedro Pony. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. This is how we spell Peppa Pig's name. P-E-P-P-A-P-I-G. Let's do it again. P-E-P-P-A-P-I-G. Peppa Pig. Yay! Bye-bye, Peppa Pig. Uh-oh. This is Rebecca Rabbit, another of Peppa Pig's friend. Rebecca Rabbit. Rebecca Rabbit. This is how we spell Rebecca Rabbit's name. R-E-B-E-C-C-A. Well, now it's time to spell rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Let's do it again. R-E-B-E-C-C-A. Now let's spell rabbit. O-A-B-B-I-C-I-T. Yeah! Oopsie, we forgot to say bye-bye to Rebecca Rabbit. Here she comes back. Bye-bye, Rebecca Rabbit. This is our second last friend, Suzy Sheep. Suzy Sheep. Suzy Sheep. This is how we spell Suzy Sheep's name. S-U-Z-Y-S-H-E-E-P. Let's do it again. S-U-Z-Y-S-H-E-E-P. Suzy Sheep. Yay! Bye-bye, Suzy Sheep. This is our last friend, Zoe Zebra. Zoe Zebra. Let's do it again. Zoe Zebra. This is how we spell Zoe Zebra's name. Z-O-E. Now zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Let's do it again. Z-O-E-Z-E-B-R-A. Yay, Zoe Zebra! Bye-bye, Zoe Zebra. Uh-oh, does it hurt? No. Today we learned how to sound and spell our friends' names. And that was 2 things. So, today we had Danny Dog, Emily Elephant, Pedro Pony, Peppa Pig, Rebecca Rabbit, Suzy Sheep, Zoe Zebra. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe. Bye-bye.
Remember to subscribe so you can watch more of our videos and continue being a smart little monkey. Click on the happy monkey face to subscribe and click below for the next educational video. On to the next one. See you there.